Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Look at this amazing sink, Caddy. I gotta tell you, I had a mess at my kitchen sink before I got this thing. It was messy and disorganized, and I needed it cleaned up. I love so many things about this sink, Caddy, but I think my favorite thing is the spout. It's adjustable, so you can move it in any direction that you need it to be, and it's just perfect because I'm always putting wet sponges and wash rags on the top of my sink, and it gets all wet and disgusting up there, and it's not very sanitary. But this little sink caddy will put the water right back into the sink where it belongs. It has the divider in it so you can adjust it to any length that you need it to be. And then the bottom fits in snugly and you are ready to wash dishes and have a nice clean surface when you're done. I use mine every day. It holds my brushes and my straw brushes. It holds sponges of many different shapes and my wash rag, and it works perfectly. It also kind of jazzes up my sink area. It was so disorganized and messy, and now it looks so cute and clean. I am very impressed with the amount of water that little basin at the bottom holds. I love that it's not going all over my countertop and behind my coffee maker. So if you are ready for a sink caddy, you have found the best one out there.
And that's my point of view.